Hi guys, welcome back to Epic Information Channel. On March 27, 1977, a devastating accident occurred at Los Rodeos Airport, now known as Tenerife North Airport, on the Spanish island of Tenerife. Two Boeing 747 jumbo jets collided on a runway in dense fog, resulting in a tragic loss of life. It was a Sunday evening, and Los Rodeos Airport was bustling with passengers. KLM Flight 4E805, bound for Las Palmas, was preparing for takeoff. Meanwhile, Pan Am Flight 1736, arriving from Los Angeles, was taxiing on the runway. Air traffic controllers cleared the KLM flight for takeoff, but the crew misunderstood the instructions, believing they had clearance for departure. The Pan Am flight, still on the runway, was not visible to the KLM pilots due to the thick fog. At 5:06 p.m., the KLM Boeing 747 began its takeoff roll. Unaware of the Pan Am plane's presence, the KLM pilots accelerated down the runway. Tragedy struck as the KLM jet collided with the Pan Am plane, causing a massive explosion and fire. The impact and subsequent fire destroyed both aircraft. Rescue teams rushed to the scene, but the disaster claimed the lives of 583 people, making it the deadliest accident in aviation history. The Tenerife Airport disaster was a heart-wrenching tragedy that led to significant changes in aviation safety procedures, including improved communication protocols and standardized phraseology. It serves as a reminder of the importance of clear communication in high-stress environments.